Greetings, traders. To locate and use the custom indicators in TopstepX, click on Indicators at the top of the chart. Search for TopstepX. Click on the name of the indicator you wish to use on your chart. In this instance, we will be using 3 indicators. Click the star to add it to your favorites. This will bring it to the top of the list. We will start with the Fair Value Gap indicator. This indicator plots gaps in a 3-candle series when there is a space between the high of one candle and the low of another, creating a gap between 2 different price levels. A gap down is when the high of the first candle back does not reach the low of the third candle back. A gap up is when the low of the first candle back does not reach the high of the third candle back. The TopstepX Inversion Fair Value Gap indicator plots the gaps that are continuations of the original fair value gaps should a trader wish to take a position opposite the original gap. The TopstepX Balanced Price Range indicator plots the area where the fair value gap and the inversion fair value gaps overlap. We will turn them on to demonstrate. Here we have a gap down between these 3 candles. Here we have a gap up between these 3 candles. The balanced price range indicator is plotting the difference between them. To customize, mouse over the indicator name and click on the settings icon. Under the Inputs section, you can choose to show bullish or bearish or both, and you can set the color of each one independently. The minimum gap sets the minimum tick size for the gap to be displayed, and the maximum gap sets the maximum tick size for the gaps to be displayed. A setting of 0 shows all gaps of any size. The visible fair value gaps per direction shows how many gap up and gap down plots will be shown. The fair value gap and inversion fair value gap have very similar settings. The balanced price range indicator has an additional setting where you can limit the number of bars to look back when trying to locate a balanced price range gap.